All right, next we're going to do the gender analysis. Last 14 days. Now we can export this as sheets. And you can do gender bit adjustments here, which is great. Okay, let's sort this by cost. Okay, good click-through rates. Cost, and we can just do bit adjustments -5 for a few of these. Nothing crazy. I think that's fine. Go to Google Ads Editor, genders, make multiple changes, paste, bid modifier. Ooh, does it say on the level? Let's make sure this is on the right level. I don't think we need that level, so we can just process. Initial review changes, -5 on mails, -5 on bookkeepers. Great post. All right. Okay. Gender analysis. And we can quickly just make a call and just say undetermined males, undetermined in males are spending the most. Okay. So that's gender right there.